What's going on, Lead Gen Beast? Matty Ice here from Leads for Locals. Got a really cool video for you today. I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT and Pictory, so both AI marketing tools, to create really awesome videos. Now, I'm just going to, as usual, I'm just sharing what I'm doing in my business right now. And so I'm going to be showing you how to create this for a YouTube channel, but don't think you have to start a YouTube channel. You can use this strategy for creating any type of video that you want for your business. So it really just depends on what you're looking to create. But I just want to show you how quickly and easily you can create really good, high quality videos without showing your face, without doing the voiceover yourself, without having to spend a ton of money on virtual assistants and Fiverr and stuff like that. These two tools are just awesome. Now, I do ask, as always, if you find the video helpful, please smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe too, because I'm going to be coming out with more videos as I come up with different strategies and using different AI marketing tools. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys, so make sure you subscribe. Check out all the links in the description too. Always have good training. I'll also have an affiliate link for Pictory. If you don't mind, it really does help support the channel if you go through that link. If you want to use Pictory, I appreciate the support. Let's rock and roll. All right, so ChatGPT, I'm going to assume you know what that is. If you're watching this video wanting to learn how to create videos, you probably already heard of it, but if not, it is an AI marketing tool that, holy smokes, it's pretty amazing. It can do some pretty awesome stuff. In this particular case, I'm going to be using it to create a video script for the YouTube channel I have started for my clients. So this is a lead generation YouTube channel that basically the idea is the channel is going to send traffic to my client. So I'm kind of creating another marketing channel for them as well, but I'm also going to have affiliate links in each video. Hopefully it eventually gets monetized as well. So it creates additional revenue for my business over the long run as well, and makes my SaaS product for my agency that much more valuable, because now I'm sending free traffic to my clients. I might charge for it later, but anyways, I'm using ChatGPT to basically create the script, and I'm going to basically the videos I create, it's usually 3 to 5 minutes. They're usually 3 to 5 minutes long, and we're talking about business funding, credits. Like, that's the industry that my clients are in. So when I start creating the script, I start really broad and start to narrow down based off of common questions that people have around this topic, as well as what ChatGPT comes up with. So I'm making a video about how the SBA microloan program works. So that's what I start with. What is the SBA microloan program? I could also ask, how does the SBA microloan program work? Something like that. You want to start broad and start to work your way into finer detail. All right, so comes up with this. Another common question about this might be like, what are the qualifications? Maybe what are the pros and cons of this? Stuff like that. So I asked it, what are the qualifications? And I'm going to be combining all of this into one video so that when people watch it, they get a really good understanding of how this particular loan program works. All right, how do you apply for it? And then this one was actually based off of what ChatGPT fed back to me here. After I asked how do you apply, it says research and find intermediary lending organizations. Now, I don't want to just say that in the video. I want to actually show people or give people information about how to do that. So I took that bullet point and I asked it, hey, how do you find SBA intermediary lending organizations? And it came back with all this stuff, right? So, I mean, this thing is just absolutely incredible. So once you have your script, we're just going to start copy and pasting. Now, I actually have an introduction that I use that I'm going to copy here really quick, that I use for all of my videos. All right, but then we head over to Pictory. Again, affiliate link in the description. Really appreciate the support, guys. It's only, I think I pay $23 a month. I might upgrade to get access to more videos and images and stuff, but you get access to a lot of stuff, and it's super cheap, man. And like I said, there's a lot of different ways you could use this. I'm just going to show you how I'm doing it right now. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to use the script to video option right here. We're going to click proceed, and we'll go ahead and give it a name. What is an SBA microloan? All right, I'll probably change this later, but just to stay organized inside of Pictory. Go ahead and do that. All right, I'm going to paste in. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. Excuse me. This is the one I want first. Let's get rid of that. Okay, what's going on here? Let's try this again. Okay, yeah, because you want to I typically write my own intro and conclusion, and I'll add a couple of my own statements throughout, just kind of break up the text a little bit. But the primary source of the script is from ChatGPT. All right. In this video, we're going to talk about uh, the SBA micro loan program, how it works, how to apply, and what the qualifications are. So just being really clear about what people are going to learn. Just what is this video about? That's it. All right. As always, if you found the video helpful, this is just something I add to my YouTube videos, just a little call to action to hopefully boost engagement a little bit. And then I also put in the offer basically for my clients. Because again, the point of the video, that this particular video anyways, is to get people to click a link in the description to request this funding plan, and that generates the lead for my client. All right. So I always want to have a call to action in here. All right. So that's my own script that I use. My own intro script. Now we're going to start copy and pasting this stuff from ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT comes up. I mean, it's really sophisticated. It's almost a little scary. It's a very impressive software. So it's very accurate. It's not perfect though, and its grammar is really good. The spelling is almost always perfect. You do want to double check it. Like, don't just blindly copy and paste stuff. You might need to tweak a couple of things here and there, but for the most part, it's usually pretty good. It's impressive. So now with Pictory, you want to make sure that each statement is on its own line. Usually, because like you don't want it to be really really long and have one extremely long scene, especially if you're putting text on the video, which I'll show you here in a second. So I usually break up each statement. And what Pictory is going to do is take each statement and automatically create a video scene for that statement. And all those scenes add up to creating your video. And of course, you can change the scenes because Pictory is not perfect, but it's pretty good. And it doesn't take long to edit these the scenes if it doesn't, if it's not congruent with what you're saying. All right, so we're going to break up each statement here. All right, so we got the first part of our script. Let's see. Next, let's talk about, how it works, how to apply. So we'll go ahead and I'm going to do the qualifications first. Let's see. How do you apply? Okay, well, that's the next one. All right, so I'm going to grab all of this stuff. I'm not going to grab this because usually what ChatGPT does when you ask it a question, it ends with a conclusion just to let you know, like, hey, there might be additional information or changes or requirements, right? It's just, it's kind of covering its rear end a little bit, which is smart. But anyways, it's also good stuff to say in the video, but this is not the conclusion of the video. So I'm going to skip that part for now. And what I'm going to do too is I'm going to segue. I just kind of have like a transition into each topic instead of just, again, blindly copy and pasting here. I'm going to say, let's see, funds. Now let's talk about the qualifications for this loan program. Okay. And then it goes into the qualification part. All right. So I'm going to get rid of the bullet, or like the numbered here, the bullet point list, because especially when you're doing voiceover and using AI like this, it's not perfect, so it sounds weird sometimes, which you always want to preview the video first to make sure it sounds correctly. But what I found works good in Pictory is you put just number one here, colon, and then your topic. Okay, so we'll get rid of this. Number two. Three. Four. Oh, we're just going down the list here. Number six. Cool. Now, again, this is where you want to critique it or tweak it a little bit, where it says the business should have a good credit history, but some lenders, right? Some lenders may consider alternative credit score. That doesn't really make sense to me. So I'm going to adjust that a little bit. May have put lower. May have lower credit requirements. Okay. So again, it's not perfect, so make sure you go through this. But you can see, I mean, we're still we're at the 10-minute mark right now, but it's not taking us long to put this together. All right. So next, our next section is how to apply. So let's go ahead and grab this. I'll go ahead and grab that part. May have additional. Actually, you know what? I am going to add this directly. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and add this. Should have read that before. Oh, good. All right. Then I'm going to put next. Let's talk about what's the next section? How to apply. About how to apply. How to apply for an SBA loan. Okay. We're copy and pasting. Okay. To get rid of this extra space there. To apply for a loan, microloan, you need to contact that participates. And I'm actually going to take when I asked how to find these organizations, I'm going to go ahead and put that in first. Need to contact the intermediary. There are several ways to find SBA intermediary organizations. Okay. So again, I'm not blindly copy and pasting. I'm constructing it to actually be a really good video. So, because we still want to create good quality content here, guys. I'm going to just use these two right here. I don't want to, we don't need 5 different ways to find these organizations. Like, it shouldn't be that difficult. So I'm just going to put 2 here. Let's see. And I'm going to put, you can also contact. All right, cool. All right, has its own application process. Now we can go back to the application here. I'm not going to do that one because I just talked about finding the lending organization. Pre-application meeting. All right, cool. Let's go from number 2 and down. Cool. Whoa, I don't know what just happened there. Okay, hopefully we just delete all that. I don't know what that was about. What did I do? Let's try that again, huh? Let's see. Hang on one second, guys. Okay, so it pasted it, but it pasted a lot of extra stuff. I'm not really sure what happened there, but yeah, if that happens, just delete it. Let's see, number 1. Yeah, so anytime there's bullet points, I just break it up like this. That usually works good with the voiceover. What's really nice about Pictory is they give you lots of voiceovers that you can use. You don't need separate voiceover software for that. Some of it's a little robotic. I don't think it's that bad. Some of them don't sound very robotic to me. There's also another tool, I think it's called Murph. I don't remember. But you can bring over a different voiceover if you want, but then you have to make sure like it matches with the scenes and all that. So I just, again, keep things simple when you're first starting out with this kind of stuff. Just use the voiceovers in Pictory. And of course, you can also upgrade to get access to a lot more voiceovers. So you can find one that sounds good. Okay. All right. Let's see. I think that's it. I think that's all I had for this. So yeah, I'm going to write a conclusion here really quick just to wrap it up, and then we'll proceed. 1 second. All right, cool. So I just wrote a quick conclusion. In conclusion, this is how the program can work or works. It can be a viable option for business owners. And then I have one final call to action at the end. And then we hope you found, wow, I should probably type the correct sentence there. We hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching. All right, cool. So once we are done with that, we have our script pasted in and written out in Pictory. We are going to click proceed, and it's going to work. Oh, yeah, I forgot. We have to choose a template. Let's see. Which one do I usually use? It is Where'd it go? Right here. I usually use this one, subtitle, default, and an explainer on the crypto winter, whatever. Lots of different templates you can choose. I'm going to do 16 by 9 here for the size since we're doing YouTube. All right, and I'm going to pause the video for now, and then when the storyboard is created, we'll come back. All right, cool. Storyboard is made. Yeah, can you go away? Thank you. All right. Wow. Get rid of all the pop-ups. All right, so you can see. All right, let's click. Got it. All right, it's already put together all of these scenes. Right, if we scroll over here, tons and tons of scenes, and it applied it to, for basically every line that we had in the script part. Now, the first thing I like to do is make the text a little bit bigger. So I will stretch this out, and then I usually change this to 32 for the size. So lots of different customizations you can make here to the text and video and stuff. It's up to you guys. We're not going to dive into that too much, but next, I like to go ahead and get the audio out of the way, and we'll choose some background music, which I do like adding to like these types of videos where you have changing scenes and stuff. It just it's really good for engagement. You know, a video without music, unless you're doing a video like what I'm doing now and you're teaching, a video without music, it's just, yeah, it's not as impactful. So let's do, I'm going to go to favorites here. So I have a bunch of stuff saved, and you could preview it. Sounds good to me. All right, so we'll apply that one. Now, you do want to make sure that it's not too loud, and also that you can people can actually hear it. So I'll show you how to adjust the what do you call it? The volume in a second here. Now, for the voiceovers, let's go ahead and click voiceover. For me, the best that I found have been so Phil, it's an Australian one, and Jeff. It just depends. They sound like the least robotic to me. But again, when you upgrade, I think to the second plan, and it's like $47 a month or something like that, you get lots and lots more voiceovers. But for now, you know, you can there's plenty in here that you can choose from. I'm going to choose Mr. Jeff here for now. All right, and you can again preview this here.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
You know, it sounds a little robotic, but I don't know. For me, it's really not that bad. It's pretty good. So I'm going to use that for now, and we're going to go to audio settings, and right here, background music volume. I usually set it to around like 15 to 20%. All right. So we'll wait till it's saved, and now we'll click preview here, and you can actually hear how loud it is, and then the voiceover will also read the sentence, so you can preview everything in one scene. So let's go ahead and do that.
We're going to talk about the SBA microloan program, how it works, how to apply, and what the qualifications.
See, so I actually screwed that up. So if you need to change the text in here, you just double click it, and you can click right inside the text there and what the qualifications are. Thank you. Okay, so that sounds good to me. So the last thing we need to do is just update the scenes and make sure that they are relevant to what we're talking about. So we just go through each scene here. I'll show you how to adjust one really quick. So I'm going to go to the second one as always. Oh, also for the text, let's click it again. You want to make sure you click apply to all. You can also save it as a style there, but I don't usually do that because it just takes like 5 seconds to adjust the text anyways. And then you click apply to all, and the changes you make to the text apply to all of your scenes. So let's go ahead, let's move on to the next scene. So we're going to click this scene here. If you find the video helpful, I actually have a specific video I use for this each time that I saved right here. Let's see, where's it at? Oh, I need to click on visuals. My apologies. So whenever you're going to change the scenes here, you need to click on visuals, and then I'll click the favorite sign here. And I have a like and subscribe video that I found. So I'm going to click that, and it's just going to insert. It's just going to change the scene right here. That's it. That's all you have to do change the scenes. And if we go to library, you just type in like keywords that are relevant to your to the business, to the video and the script. So like this one, I also use the same type of scene for this as well for my call to action. So I'm going to click this one. All right, I'll give you one example here really quick for like searching different scenes, and then I'll just finish it up really quick, and I'll show you how it's like what the next step is. Because you're literally just going to go through each scene and make sure that it's relevant to whatever's being talked about on this scene. So SBA micro loan program. So I'm just going to type in loan and see what comes up. You're just typing in keywords that are relevant to your industry. So I'm going to do this one. This one's fine. Okay, so we'll give that a second to change. It also gives you keywords from the script sometimes. Like it'll read the script on the scene. It'll give you some keywords that you can try. You can just click it, and it'll bring up all the different scenes for it. So that's it. That's how you adjust the video, like the different scenes. You can preview the entire video right here, which I do recommend. Once you've updated the text, you've got the voiceover on there, you have your background music, you've checked all the scenes, click preview, watch the whole thing, make sure it's good, and then you just click generate. So I'm going to do that really quick and show you what happens afterwards. All right, so I actually canceled generating it because I need to update all the scenes. I'm not going to do all that for time's sake. Obviously, everything I just showed you is pretty much start to finish how to do this. And when the video is generated, if you go to My Projects, you can create folders to organize your videos. So if you have different topics that you're doing, whatnot, it's going to show up right here. And you can always go back in and edit the scenes and the text and all that stuff later on. And then from here, just click the three little dots, download it, and you're good to go. You can upload it to YouTube, upload it into GoHighLevel, your CRM platform, whatever it is that you're using, you're pretty much good to go. And it looks like they have a pretty sweet deal here, 4 months free if you do the annual plan. So again, go through my link in the description. It really does help, guys. So that is how you create, very quickly and easily create some awesome videos for whatever it is that you're doing in your business. So you can create some really good explainer videos, YouTube videos. I'm going to be doing like mini masterclasses as well, and offering those as lead magnets for my clients. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this, but man, does this save an incredible amount of time and money. Like if you go onto Fiverr and you search for voiceovers, and how like it's like hundreds of dollars. Like if you're going to do a 3 to 5 minute video, it can get expensive, man. So this saves an unbelievable amount of time and money. So I hope this was helpful, guys. I hope this is something that you'll implement in your business, because video is really powerful, and this makes it so much easier to do now. So let me know what you guys think. Drop some comments and some feedback down below. I'd love to hear what you think about this, and also how you are combining ChatGPT and other AI marketing tools. I'd love to hear that. So hope you guys are crushing it. Talk to you in the next one. Matty Ice is out.